Hello friends, welcome to my channel PPT Hub. In this channel you will find study materials, PowerPoint presentations, video lectures, useful links and many more. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification. Today in this lecture I am going to talk about what is computer, types of computers and many basic concepts related to computer. First one is what is computer. Computer is an electronic device that accepts data, perform operations on that data, represents the results and store the data. It performs four primary operations. The first one is the input, which means the entering data in the computer. Second one, processing, means performing operations on that data. Third one, output, which means representing the results. And the fourth one is the storage, means saving data or output for the future use. Now come to application of computer. Computer is playing very important role in every field of life. Computers are everywhere, such as at home, at school, or any office, or any place. In daily life, a large number of activities are depend on computers. So there are a lot of applications. Let me discuss one by one. The first one is the education. Today, the modern techniques to get knowledge is by using computers. All schools use computers in classrooms and labs to teach students. Many educators prefer to deliver their lectures by computer-based presentations. In school, colleges, and universities, teaching is online nowadays due to COVID-19. So nowadays, the learning is mostly online based. Second one is the entertainment. Computer has become the need of humans for entertainment as at their home or any other place. For example, to play video games at home, different game softwares are available. Similarly, we watch movies, listen to music, we use internet on computers. Computer is the source of entertainment. Third application is this science. In the field of science, computer is used in all branches of science to collect and analyze data. The scientists also use internet to collect the latest information around the world. Today it is impossible to carry out scientific researches without the use of computers. In all branches of science, it is mainly used to get accurate experimental results. For example, to get accurate forecasting of weather, computers are used. Computer is also used in publishing. In the field of publishing, computer is playing very important roles such as publishing the books, magazines, newspapers, etc. Publishers use computers and word processors, graphics softwares to design the pages of books or magazines. Many writers and publishers use internet to collect information that is used for compiling a new book or a magazine. I am publishing this video right now by using my computer. That is application of computer. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware is the physical part of computer system, the machinery and equipment. Parts of computer that you can see and touch are hardware. For example, CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, disk drive, CD-ROM, DVD, speakers, printers, etc. There are three types or the categories of hardware, which are input devices, output devices, and storage devices. Let me discuss one by one. Input devices. Input basically means getting data into the computer to be processed. Some input devices are keyboard, mouse, touchpad, light pen, laser scanner, pointer, touch screen, barcode reader, scanner, microphone, joystick, etc. Output devices. Output basically means getting data out of computer. Some output devices are monitor, printers, speakers, headphones, modem, etc. Third one is the storage devices. Storage devices are both input and output devices in one. A storage device is a place to keep data that has been processed so that it can be retrieved or regained at later time to be used again. For example, hard disk, floppy disk, CDs, DVDs, magnetic tape, flash memory, etc. Now I will discuss computer software. Computer software is a set of instructions given to computer in machine code that tells the computer what to do and how to perform the given task of user is known as computer software. The software is developed in computer programming languages. You cannot feel, touch or see the software inside computer. The computer software is classified into two main categories: application software and system software. What is application software? It is a set of programs used to solve particular problem of user through computer is called application software. The ready packages are also available in market on series for various purposes. These are used by users who does not know the computer programming. The users solve their problems using these ready packages more easily and very quickly. So some examples of these packages, application packages are word processing software such as Microsoft Word that we use, spreadsheet software we use, for example Excel, database management system software such as Microsoft Access, and graphics software. PowerPoint that I'm using now is the PowerPoint, which is graphic software. System software is the operating system. Utility programs are the two major categories of system software. Just as the processor is the nucleus of computer system, the operating system is the nucleus of all software activities, because all software activities depend on this operating system. The operating system is the most important program that runs on computer. Every computer must have operating system to run other programs. Operating system perform some basic tasks such as recognizing input from the keyboard, sending output to display screen, keeping track of files and directions on the disk, controlling peripheral devices such as disk drivers and printers. What is meant by generations of computers? The term generation indicates the type of technology used in computer construction. A new technology was emerging, it was being used in the making of computer. The new technology improved the speed, accuracy, storage capacity of computers. Different technologies have been used for computers in different times. Therefore, computers can be divided into 5 generations depending upon the technologies used. So these are the first generation, whose period was 1942 to 1955. Second generation 1955 to 1964. Third generation 1964 to 1975. Fourth generation since 1975, and fifth generation, the latest one that we use nowadays, is since 1980s. Now let me discuss the types of computers. Computers are classified according to their data processing speed, amount of data that they can hold, and price. Generally, a computer with a high processing speed and large internal storage is called a big computer. Depending upon their speed and memory size, computers are classified into four main groups, which are supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and personal computer. Let me discuss one by one. What is supercomputer? Supercomputer is the most powerful and fastest, also very expensive. It was developed in 1980s. It is used to process large amount of data and solve complicated scientific problems. It can perform more than 1 trillion calculations per second. It has large number of processors connected parallel. Some parallel processing is done in this computer. In a single supercomputer, thousands of users can be connected at the same time, and supercomputer handles the work of each user separately. Supercomputers are mainly used for weather forecasting, nuclear energy research, aircraft design, control, industrial unit, etc. Second type is the mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are also called large scale computers, but supercomputers are larger than them. So there are also there are very expensive, and mainframe computers specially require large clean room with air conditioner. So this makes it very expensive and not affordable. It can support a large number of various equipment. It also has multiple processors. Large mainframe system can handle the input and output requirement of several thousands of users. For example, IBM S390 mainframe can support 50,000 users simultaneously. There are basically two types of terminals used with the mainframe system. So these are the drum terminal and intelligent terminal. Third type is the mini computers. So these are smaller, as the name indicate, these are smaller in size, have lower processing speed and storage capacity as compared to mainframe computers. They are also less expensive, hence their performance also will less than that of mainframe computers. Mini computers are used in business, education and many other departments. Although some mini computers are designed for a single user, but most are designed to handle multiple terminals. Micro mini computers are commonly used as servers in network equipment, and thousands of personal computers can be connected to network with a microcomputer acting as a server. Mini computers are used as web servers. The last type is the desktop, or also called personal computer. Desktop computers are also called personal computers, or simply we say PCs. They are usually easier to use and more affordable. They are normally intended for individual users for their word processing and other small application requirements. So the laptops and desktops computers we use is the example of this. Network. What is network? A network is a group of computers that share information and hardware. The computers are connected together using copper phone wire, fiber optic cables, or radio waves. You may saw the network on your school lab where computers are connected on a network. The internet consists of many networks around the world that are all connected together to make a huge network. There are many types of networks such as local area network, LAN, wide area network, WAN, metropolitan area network, MAN. So these are the types of networks. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel to get more videos like